Okay. Yeah, it fits pretty good. Well, don't do that. That'll do just perfectly fine. Hello, and good morning, everybody. It's another miserable Canadian winter day. In April. So another day to work on a rat rod. Straight into work today. Let's take care of this hole. And hey, I found my missing hammer. I'm sure you've seen guys that put a piece of paper over top and they wipe it with their finger, and that makes a mark on the paper, and then they just trace it out. You gotta have dirty fingers to do that. And I don't know if you noticed, but I don't get my hands dirty around here. Nope, not me. I let the after crew come in and do that work after I'm done hosting. I'm just a host. I'm pretty dainty. Let me get my hands dirty. You slip that in there like so. Ta-da! Fitment check. We're slightly thick still. I gotta take it closer to the edge of the marker. Okay. He's fitting there. There, he's fitting there now. Now we just need the profile. I use the truck for that. Get a little roll in it. A little more. We'll use our knee. Ha, ha. He, he. Something like that. Okay. Yeah, it fits pretty good. Well, don't do that. I'll get that set back up and start welding. So, there we are. It's decent. It's okay. I definitely, it's a little lower here than over here. If it was a truck that was actually going to be painted, smear some Bondo on there, sand it down level, call it good. But for this rat rod, that'll do just perfectly fine. What age did you guys hit when you realized that this is the greatest tool in the shop? Leave it in the comments. For me, it was 44 apparently. This thing is freaking awesome. So this is going to be a short video this week. If you like this content, give me a like, subscribe, leave me a comment, all that kind of good stuff. And make sure your alarm is set for the next video. Tell your friends to come check out the videos and tell me that I still haven't got my hammer out from behind the box there. So that's gonna have to do it. Until next time, later. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Got it. It's my favorite hammer.